Kuzno and from the Monroe Evening News, and we're riding along in the combine driven by Tom Walmer here in this wheat field off Strasburg Road. Tom, I'm going to let you take it away.
Well, this is it. This is combining. It's a hot day outside, but it's nice and cool with the air in here.
We're going to get a shot of Tom right here.
That's me.
Yes, we're in an
turn right around and catch the wheat behind you there if you want. I think it would have yielded better if we had a little more rain when it was filling the heads. But it's been running in the 70s. Right now, 77 bushel sitting right here, 14.1% moisture, 79, 80. It's been running anywhere from 70 up to 80. On the sand hills, it'll go down to maybe 50 bushel the acre. But I think overall it's going to average right around 75 bushel.
How does that compare with your average yields through the years?
That's about an average yield for me. Maybe even that's about an average yield. I was kind of hoping it'd be better than that this year because of the mild winter, but it ended up the dry weather when the kernels were being formed.